Hello my wonderful lazy dancers, welcome to Lazy Dance Tips. I'm Alessia. Today I've got for you ready a very classical dance flow. Classical, what do you mean? So we're going to be dancing to beautiful classical music played by Massimiliano Greco, and I really wanted to get the essence of every movement and every note of the music to kind of merge together and become a beautiful movement. So today we are going to be dancing. It's going to be nice and simple but quite puffy if you want to get that cardio going. So we're going to work on the lines, we're going to work on the feet, but overall I really want you to dance. I want you to feel the music and I really want you to go for it and take every movement and every note of the music like never before. And I know that many of you wanted to try ballet and get into the ballet basics and learn more about ballet and where it comes from. Whether you were doing ballet fitness or starting to get into that, I'd love to do something more about very classical ballet. And remember that for you, I've got the beginner's ballet course ready. I'm gonna link it up here so you can go and check it out and see how I work. I mean, you know it. You've probably been here on YouTube for quite a long time and you never really knew where to start or how to start or what a step is called and how to put two things together. But I'm there for you to help you out. So the beginner's ballet course is right here for you. Go and check it out. But also if you're ready to dance, point your toes, present to queens and kings and kings and queens. Let's dance, let's do this dance flow and let's go for it. Mwah. Breathe and breathe. Arms going down. Lift up to fifth. You open. Step other way. Down. Open. And out. And again. Step over. One. And lift. Nice smile. You're wearing a crown. Good. Other way. Lift up. Open. Step down, we go down, up, keep the bend, knee, we go swap, swap, good, other way, into third arabesque, and swap, you're just floating, again, down, third arabesque, go. And one more time, down. Pick up a bunch of flowers. Use. Step to arabesque. Lift. You go point. Arabesque. Point. Arabesque. Other way. Small lift and point down. And again, push. You're going beyond. Lift your leg. Push down and out. Down, out. Keep on breathing. Lift and down. Step again, leg at the back. One more time. Small breath. Like you've been cuddled and kissed. Arms up. Breathe. Very good. Step up. And open. Stabilize those ankles. Down, up. Nice and soft. Like the music. Good. You're king or queen of the world. Calm down. Step and present to the right. And close. And again. Present. And in. Present. Coming forward, same leg. One. And in. Present. In. Present. And present. And you go up, up. Breathe. Small breath. Good. Again, change leg. And open. And we travel. Push. Travel. Change. Travel. Change. Travel. Change. Travel. Change. From there, step into our best. Back arm comes up. And again. And step other way. Up and over. One more time. And step. Now softer. Up and over. And again, step. Up and over. Up and over. We step into our beautiful arabesque. We lift 90 degrees now. Place it back. Turn. Someone else wants to talk to you. Arabesque. Lift. 90 degrees. Put it down. There. Oh, thank you. Taking my hand. Foot go forward. Point forward. Point aside. Point it back. Say thank you. Other way. Hello. Point forward. Point side. Point back. Going back there. Point. Take the hand. Point. Straight to the back. And again. Out here. Point. Straight to the back. Beret pushing out to the side. And change. And change. And change. And chasse forward. And bow. And step forward. And bow. Very good. Stepping back. 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 You hold. Hands to heart. Again, step forward. And forward. Hand to heart. And go. Brace. Arms to fifth. Crown your head. Open the arms. Get those legs going. And again. And good. Change leg. And take someone's hand. Take the hand. Good. You change other way. Good. Look back and change. Good. Look back. Change. One more time. Look back. Change. This time we look back. We change. Arms to fifth. We fly. and down. Fly. Down. Fly. And take your leg up. And change. And change. Step back. 1. Good. Step back. Good. Hand to heart. Offer. Stepping forward. Again. You go. Step forward. Good. Step back and bow. Gorgeous. Again. Step forward. Step back and bow. Good. Step aside. Bow. Step aside. Bow. And again. Step aside. Bow. Step aside. Bow. Little walk to explore what there is at the back. Pointing those feet. And again. Discovering. And again, other way. Discover. And again. Good. Step back. And again. Step back. One more time. Hands to heart. Point the foot. And you offer. Very good. Stepping forward and up there. Take your bow. Gorgeous. Again, step forward. And bow. Good. From there, step in arabesque. And we go down, out, down, out, other way. And again, we go down, out, down, out. Stay in there and breathe. One more step. Good. One more step. One more. Step forward. Down. To bow. Step back. Bow.